Hi, I am Khairul Iman and along with me Lim Yu Peng, and we are going to present about page replacement algorithm. But before that, we are going to acknowledge about our team members that have been working on this project, which are Kenneth Tan and Tan Pi Lee. Now, let's get started.
Okay, first, we need to understand the question first. We need to read the question first. Assuming a page streaming with three-page framing, which initially is empty, tracted the acquisition of page of framing using the following page replacement algorithm. Okay, first, we know we need to draw three page of framing. Okay, as LRU, you just need to write F1, F2, and F3. This three type framing only. This kind of formula. Okay, first step, we need to write. We need to like make sure we need to reminder ourselves like number what is it. So I suggest can write the number first. So as you can see, the number got 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1, 5. Okay, as is for me, I will write again like this. Yeah, I will write the number to clearly understand which number I'm gonna write. And next, we're gonna draw the graph. As I just say, it's only need to three page of framing. So you need to draw F1, F2, and F3, and the graph. You need to give each a number, a graph to write the number like this. F1, F2, F3. Okay, it's okay. As here, everything is prepared already, so we can start already. And first line, you can see is number 3. So it's not difficult. So you just write the number 3 only. Yeah, just write 3. Oh, sorry. And the second line is 2. As you can see, we F1 already got a number, so we need to continue the number. Yeah, we need to continue write it. Oh, as you can see, it's 4. Because it didn't hit the number. You need to hit the number in LRU. Okay. The next line is 3 and 2. So we need to continue the number lah, 3 and 2, but it's still 4 lah, didn't hit the number. Okay, third one is 1. So as you can see, F1, F2, F3. So which the last one didn't draw a number? Yeah, the 1. So you need to write the 1 in the below. And you can see, and the number is kind of slight, you know. Yeah, you can see 3, 2, 1 is like a slide. Yeah, so your 1 you're gonna write an F3, and the both of the top you also need to write 2 and 3. You need to follow the number. Which number are the old one? You need to follow it until the end. Yeah, this is the formula for the LRU lah. Okay, as you can see, the third one is still 4 because he didn't hit the number. What is hit the number? I will show you behind. Okay, at the 4, and the 4 one, you can see the fourth line is 4, but didn't got any place to put the 4. You can see 3, 2, 1, but you need to put it below him. F3 didn't got below, right? It didn't got F4, so you need to write above lah. So when you're like this, 3, 2, so below need to change. And by the way, you need to change the O1, you know. Like as you can see, 3, 2, 1. So the O1 the O renew one is 3. So you need to renew the O1. So like 3 become 4. But it still did not hit. Okay. As like this, you can just continue to write it. Okay. Okay. So right now, F1 renew is 4, F2 renew is 2, F3 renew is 1. So at the 5 line, at the next number is 4, 2, 1 as usual. But as you can see, but is only right 1 because what the below 1 is 1. You just hit the number. Yeah, when you hit the number, you didn't need to write another number as usual like this. You didn't need to write a number. Just need to write the only number that hit. that he hit. So that one is hit the number, so didn't need to write any number else. So we can continue in the six. At the six, we can see is five. So when five, okay, you can see the old renew one, the first renew is four, right? The second renew is one. So the old one is two. So at the next line, we need to renew the two, become five, like this. Four, two, one, but didn't got five, right? So we need to renew lah. So two cancel and become five, like this. But it still didn't hit it. At the below, you need to see the number. It is hit the number or not. If it didn't hit, so it cannot write hash lah. It didn't hit lah. And the seven, you can see is three, but the old one is one. So at the below, after F3, you need to renew to 3. But as usual, you just write the number first because remind you didn't get confused. So you need to so at now you can write 451 like this 451 and renew the one because why? The one is the older renew one. So you need to renew the old one. So one become to 3. Okay, this is a 7. Okay, at 8 is 2. So as you can see, just follow the rule, just follow the formula, you will usually get the same number until the end. Like for now, it's 453, right? Just write the 453. Yeah, but where we want to renew is 2, right? Because we didn't got through, so we need to renew at the number. So what we can renew because what we can renew is 1. Why? Because the first one renew is 3, the second is 5, and the third one is 4. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 4. We need to renew 4. So as 4, so the 4 is the older one, so we need to renew it. So 4 cancel, renew to 2, but it's still 4. Okay, for now, you can see the 8 one is 1. So just follow it. You can just write it. Just a reminder. Maybe you will get confused in this number. Which one we are gonna renew or when I get hit? Is it hit? It didn't only got one only. Maybe it just got two, three only. You just need to see lah. What number is it? Okay. For now, okay, it's 1, right? So you need to continue lah. 253, just continue write it. 253 and the 1 you need to hit you need to change it, renew. So which one is the older one? So it's a 5, right? So into 5 cancel, become 1, like this. So right now everything is renewed, okay, until the last two one. Okay, last two is the 1. As you can see, uh at the below one, right? The below one, is the older one. Yeah, next one will hit the number. I can see the below. It will hit the number. So next one, oh, by the way, the 3 is the older. So that's why we need to change renew the 3 because 3 is the older one. So at the next line, 1 is the renew number. Oh, sorry, by the way. Just follow the number lah because the last number is 1, right? So the next number is 1. I'm sorry, it's my fault. It's a 1, so it is hit the number. So when it hits the number, didn't write another number yet. Didn't need to write another number. So you can see at the first line, oh, I didn't mention that. At the first line, right, it just got 3, so you only need to write 3 only. Just follow like this. Yeah, like 3 3 3 4, like 2 2 2 1 1 1 1 1, like just like the first one, right, you only got 3 numbers, so you need to write 3. So that's why at the first line, right, got one number only. Two line got 2 number because you need to follow the number. Watch number at the last, you need to follow right it. When it renew, it see the number, it is an older one or not. Okay, the last one is 5. Okay. The older number is 3, right? So we need to renew lah. Write it as usual. 2 1 3. Last one is 3 but we need to renew, right? So we cancel the 3, become 5. That's all. But it's still not is still not solved yet. It's still not complete yet. As you can see, it's many fold, right? So we need to calculate how many fold we got and right at the below. So as you can see, 3 is fold, 2 is fold, 1 is fold, 4 is fold, 5 is fold, 3 fold, 2 is fold, 1 is fold, and 5 is fold. All compound together is 9 fold. So you need to write 9 page is fold. That's all for this question. That was, if you follow the rule, and you will get the answer easily. Yeah, that's all. Thank you everyone, and my name is Spring, and I will end my presentation here. Thank you.
So we have learned on how to find the fault pages for last recently used. Now let us learn how to find the fault pages for optimal. Now let's read the question. Assuming a paging scheme with 3 pages frames, which initially is empty, trace the location of pages to frames using the following page replacement algorithm, which is optimal. Okay, so now we have create the schedule for us to find the fault pages for optimal. So as we can see, we have listed the 3 pages frame, which is F1, F2, and F3 at the left of the box. And then we write the paging scheme, which is 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1, 5 at the top. And now let's decide what number should be put at the first row. Yes, it is number 3 and only 3. Why? Because the top of the number is 3. And because it's the first row, we are just gonna put one number at the first row. So now the second row, we are going to put 2 numbers. And what are the 2 numbers? The 2 numbers are 3, 2. Why? Because there is still emptiness in the box, so we just going to put the number 2 under the number 3. Same goes to the third row, which is under number 1. We are going to put number 3, 2, and 1 at the bottom. So now here is the real deal. Now, what are the numbers should be put under the number 4? So first of all, we have to see what numbers are the furthest to the number 4. So if we can see, under the number 4, we have 3 numbers, which is 3, 2, and 1. And between these 3 numbers, what is the furthest to number 4? Okay, after the paging schemes number 4, we only see 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1, 5. So between the number 3 to 1, what is the furthest? Of course, it is number 2. So what should we do with number 2? Yes, we are going to change it to number 4. So the next row, what number are we going to change? The answer is no numbers is changed because number 1 is still available in the box. So there is no page fault in this row. To be compared to the previous row, we have 4 page faults because there is number is updated in the box in the previous rows. So for now, we have 4 page faults. So now let's see what number we have to change in this 6th row under number 5. Okay, so as we can see, under number 5, we have 3 numbers, which is 3, 4, 1. And between those 3 numbers, what is the furthest number from number 5? So as we can see, after the paging schemes number 5, we can see that only 32115. There is no 4 available. So it has proven that number 4 is the furthest. So we choose number 4 to number 5. Okay, so under number 3, clearly there is no need to be changed. There is no numbers need to be changed because 3 is still available in the box. So there is no page fault in this row. So for the next row, under number 2, what is the numbers that is should be changed under number 2? Okay, so we have 351, and then after the paging schemes number 2, we have 115. We only see number 15 and not 3. So it has been proven that number 3 is the furthest from number 2. So we have to change number 3 to number 2. And then the next row, number 1 is still available. So there is no number needs to be changed. Same goes to the next row. Number 1 is still available, so there's no need to be changed. Same goes to the last row. There's 5 still available, so there's no numbers to be changed. So the last 3 rows has no page fault. So how do we find the page faults? So the page fault is founded by we determining what numbers are changed. The numbers in the red is the numbers that is updated or changed. So that is the page faults. Now let's count the page faults. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have concluded that there is 6 page faults. So now we have learned about last recently used and optimal. So I think that is all from us. Thank you for listening.